Odyssey Ark how-to video. Welcome! The final stage. In this final stage, Odyssey Ark's hidden skills will help you to be a dominant winner. Press the menu button and turn the wheel to the left and select Flex Move Screen. After pressing the button in the center of the dial, try rotating the Ark dial. Check it out! Now you can see an enemy that was hidden before. Click one of the arrow keys on the Ark dial this time. You can move the screen wherever you want. Is that it? Of course not! Go back to the menu and select Multi-View, which is on the right. This allows you to view multiple screens at the same time. That's pretty awesome, right? You can easily create your own screen layout to be used whenever you want. And you can access all of these features in Cockpit Mode too, of course. If you select a screen, then you can change the order with the Ark dial. You can play a game while watching a walkthrough video, or complete a mission while chatting with crew members as well. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's take a closer look at the multi-view. Select the screen with the Ark dial. Press and hold the Enter button. You can change the channel of the selected screen with Ark dial. Slow down. We're not done yet. Now it's time to see how to use the full screen mode in Cockpit Mode. What happens when you click on a screen and select full screen on the menu? Now you can read webcomics and watch fancam videos in Cockpit Mode. How is it? It's a whole new experience, right? You've cleared all stages of the quest.